Every drop of the river is hot melted chocolate of the finest quality. The waterfall is most important. It mixes the chocolate, churns it out, makes it light and frothy. And by the way, no other factory in the world mixes its chocolate by waterfall, my dear children. And you can take that to the bank. People, those pipes suck up the chocolate and carry it away all over the factory. Thousands of gallons an hour. Yeah. And you like my meadow? Try some of my grass. Please have a blade, please do. It's so delectable and so darn good looking.
You can eat the grass.
Of course you can. Everything in this room is eatable. Even I'm eatable. But that is called cannibalism, my dear children, and is in fact frowned upon in most societies.